I owe you a little bit of an apology. Well, it's been 2 weeks since I've done a vlog, and I have a good excuse and I have a bad excuse, one for each. Let's start off with the bad excuse. We went to visit Dave and Doreen, as you know from the last vlog, and we had a great time and it was lovely to see them. And but I did absolutely nothing. I did no videoing, and I just didn't do the vlog, and that's my bad excuse. I just didn't do it. So then we came back, and a couple of days, been back a couple of days, and I fell ill. I contracted gastroenteritis, but really severe gastroenteritis, and this lasted for 5-6 days, something like that. So that's my, so I didn't do a vlog. So that's my good excuse. So anyway, hey, I'm back. Now it was in many respects it was a good idea. No, sorry. In many respects it was quite good that I had that time off, because I had time to reflect and think, and decided I needed a new challenge. I personally needed a new challenge because things were getting a little bit stale, and I wanted something more for the vlog, because it was getting a little bit same old. So I have an idea. And what I thought I would start doing is return to something I used to do a long time ago, but make a little bit of an adjustment. And what I used to do was cook. I used to love cooking. I used to really enjoy it. I love eating. You can tell. Look at me. I love eating, but I love cooking as well, because it means that I can then cook the things that I love to eat. So I thought what we'd do is I'm going to start a new YouTube, well, not a channel, a new playlist, a new segment for for my channel, called something like, not completely decided on the title yet, so you know. Oh, suggestions down below, that'd be nice, but something along the lines, give you an idea how it would work. It would be cooking in a motorhome, but without electricity, without electric hookup. Because I want to be able to create recipes where you have a limited amount of space and you don't have any electricity. So no microwave, no electric whisk, no electric carving knife, no electric chainsaw, you know, that sort of thing. So it would be a little bit more challenging than what I used to do, because I had a big kitchen and loads of space and all the equipment and blah 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 blah, you know. So nothing was an issue, but I thought I would do something. I did a bit of research into this, tiny bit, looking at other cooking things. Most of them seem to be for cooking in a van. Van lifers, nothing wrong with it, absolutely fine. And I found that, funnily enough, most of the van lifers, now it might be me, I might be completely off boil here, and if I am and I offend anyone, I apologise, but the majority of them seem to be vegetarians. Maybe it's just because, I don't know, maybe it's just not what I found, or I'm missing some point somewhere. But anyway, so the majority seem to be vegetarians, and nothing wrong with it. I've got nothing against vegetarians at all. It's just not for me. I like my meat. So so my channel's not going to be vegetarian at all. In fact, it'd be probably quite rare that I do a vegetarian meal, because I do like my meat. Sorry to all you vegetarians, I know you're sort of upset with me now, but that's the way I am. Also, this is not going to be about cooking on a single gas ring or a primus stove or what have you. It's going to be using a motorhome oven and 3 rings, which you quite often get, which you usually get in motorhome. Do you get them in C classes, or is it 2 rings? I'll try and keep it to 2 rings, but I might have to use 3 rings occasionally, but probably mostly use 2 rings or 1 ring. The idea is keeping things sensible, but creating very, very flavoursome and gorgeous meals. So that's the plan. Now, next thing, recipes. I'm gonna find recipes. They're not going to be my copyright or anything, or my creation. I'm going to take existing recipes and maybe do them exactly as they are, or making an adaptation to them in some way or whatever. But it's more of a cooking demonstration rather than a cooking creation. I'm sure you understand what I'm trying to say. You're sensible people. So what's going to happen to my vlog? I hear you say. So what's going to happen to your vlog, Gary? Well, that's going to carry on as well. I'm just not going to be vlogging as a vlog quite so often, because I'm going to be putting the cooking shows. Yeah, the cooking shows. Yeah, okay, we'll see. The cooking shows in place of the Sunday uploads, but maybe when I do have a vlog, I'll do that on the Sunday and I'll move the cooking show to another day. I don't know. Let's just play around with it and find out what happens. And let me know what you think as we go along. You know, in fact, let me know now what you think. You know, if you think it's something that I should separate onto a different day, that's fine. I just won't be doing the vlog every Sunday as I was. Or maybe I should roll it all up into one, do sort of a bit of a chatty bit in the cooking show, the sort of like the vloggy bits in the cooking show, so it's all into, oh blimey, that's a thought, isn't it? What do you reckon? Tell you what, here's the plan. Let's just make it up as we go along, and hopefully you and me will have some fun. Well, see, right, vlogging whilst walking is dangerous, because you stop looking, because I'm looking at you. I'm not looking down there where all the holes are, especially walking. It's all right walking, I suppose, walking along a nice tarmacked path is okay, but I'm walking, look, I'll show you. So lots of divots and holes and stuff, and I keep tripping over them. So if the camera's all jerky because I keep tripping over things, my apologies. Anyway, thank you very much for your support, and thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this week's sort of like apology and preamble to what's coming next. And if you haven't done so already, and cooking's your thing, or eating's your thing, please click the subscribe button down below. And if you don't want to comment but you want to encourage me, let me know that you like what I'm doing, or like what I'm planning. Click that thumbs up. It does, you know, make a difference to me. So until next week, and the very, very first episode of, I still not got a name. Oh, come on, comment, give me a name. Cooking with Gary, I don't know, cooking in a motorhome without electricity. Let's see. Anyway, down below. Take care now.